Welcome to the two-tier chrome wire basket pullout installation video. Before you begin, you'll need the following tools: a power drill with the number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, and a tape measure. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a bottom basket, a top basket, U-shaped brackets, 4 3/4 inch wood screws, 5 1/2 inch wood screws, 16 M4 machine screws. First, measure your cabinet width, height, and depth in order to ensure the basket will fit inside and clearly pull out without interference. Next, remove each of the slides from the baskets by pressing the black release triggers. Now, attach the pair of bottom basket slides to the bottom hole portion of the U-shaped bracket using 8 of the machine screws. Start with the circular hole first, then proceed to the slotted hole next. Now, attach the pair of top basket slides to one of the 3 height options on the U-shaped bracket using the remaining 8 machine screws. Install the U-shaped brackets in the front and middle position, and not the front and rear position. This is the only way your product will work. Carefully place the slide assembly into your cabinet and move the unit to the opposite side of your cabinet hinges to prevent interference. For face frame applications, place the front of the slide 1/4 inch back from the opening. Ensure the basket frame is completely square. Pre-drill the hole location using the 3/32 inch bit. Next, pre-drill the 4 hole locations at the base of the frame. Attach the slide to the face frame using the 1/2 inch wood screw. For frameless applications, secure the slide set directly into the side wall of the cabinet. There is a hole midway down the U-shaped support bracket. Pre-drill and secure using the same 1/2 inch wood screw. Attach the frame assembly to the cabinet floor using all 4 of the 3/4 inch wood screws. Now, push the 2 rear metal sockets to the rear of the cabinet. To ensure optimal performance, it is recommended that the rear sockets are perfectly aligned. Once flush with the back wall, pre-drill 2 holes in each socket. Secure using the 1/2 inch wood screws. Be sure the runners are in the forward position and carefully re-engage the baskets with the slides. To remove the baskets, press the clips on opposite sides to disengage. If your baskets do not freely slide in and out, that most likely means your baskets are not aligned properly. Make sure the frame is square with the cabinet opening, and the slides are parallel with the side wall. An optional door mount kit, sold separately, is designed to work with all 2-tier baskets. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.